It's your weekly dose of Premiere complaints. I frequently have to use, well, not uncommonly have to use Premiere's render and replace feature, which takes an After Effects composition, or theoretically just a normal clip, and renders it to another file format, aka for me, since that's what my previews are, GoPro Cineform, and this is specifically my Patreon in-card overlay. So I'm rendering it out to Cineform with Alpha. This process takes forever. It's not using up hardly any of my resources. It's only using like a couple CPU cores. Memory is still getting filled up, and VRAM usage is still getting filled up. GPU usage is very low other than I'm recording right now, but no other render process in After Effects or Premiere takes this long. It should be just like it is natively or would be through Adobe Media Encoder, and instead it only utilizes a couple cores and takes forever to render this like 20-second file. It's absurd. It's really frustrating, and it's one of those things where like people frequently complain how Adobe programs don't utilize your resources, and I say that's not true anymore because for the most part it does. This is one instance where, holy crap, why is this happening?